about that one. This is going to be part 2. We kind of accidentally stopped recording. And remember, Eve, do not hit the red thing with the white square in the middle.
I didn't touch it. Swear I didn't touch it. Okay, I didn't touch it.
Yeah, that's what they all say.
Come here. You're gonna give it a heart attack.
And here we are. This is Rush. This is the bully.
Hey,
Stupid
bully,
boy.
I'm gonna punch you
Bad
right in the
bully.
face.
Bad boy.
You want a close-up of me? Huh?
Ooh, his feathers are really
Touch
soft.
his beak.
I can.
Oh, I touched his beak.
Okay, well, that's enough for you. I'm going to have you on, Dr. Phil. Fine. Okay, so, what other chickens do you guys want to see?
So the ostriches.
The ostriches. All right, I'm going to try to see get the ostriches. We only have the Rhode Island Reds out at the moment. Let's see if I can try to get Tater.
No salt. The only one they haven't met is Tater and the ostriches. And Tater's currently the one out.
This is Tater.
Tater?
Mm-hmm.
Get a close up. Get a close up. See, look, it's smiling.
Oh. Hi. Say hi, Tater. Good, you said hi. So now we are waiting for the ostriches, and while we are waiting for the ostriches, I am going to kind of... Hey guys, how's it going? So yeah, kids, don't try this at home if you have chickens. Emily. Yeah, and remember, if you guys have Nerf guns, shoot each other's in the face with it. Disobey the law that's on the Let's see, Emily, you're making the video sound like they're actually
Which is good.
Huh?
Which is good.
No, funny, not funny. Oh, no. Not funny is only when you're doing, like, romance. Can you please stop laughing?
You're choking on your laugh.
Sorry, I
I
laugh
just
hard
filled their water
sometimes.
up yesterday, and they're already hungry. They're thirsty.
Talk.
Okay, you can stop.
Alright, I thought you could stop.
Here you go. Here. Out comes an ostrich.
You have to taunt the ostrich, okay?
Ostrich, this is not for you!
Oh,
Make sure you get this one in deep. Sorry.
yeah.
Oh, God.
Yeah, just zoom in a lot.
Hey, ostrich. Hey, ostrich. Hey, ostrich. Okay, I'm gonna get out for a minute, and then when the ostriches come out, I will go in. Please don't tell me you're having a close-up of my face right now.
It's not good. The ostriches are out.
Alright, the ostriches are out, as me friend said. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
We have a pear tree. LeBron James.
No, get him.
It's a her. Number 1, Apples.
His name's
number
Apples.
2, Mrs. Apples, is that...
His name's not Mrs. Apples. His name is Apples.
Apples.
Her name is Nutsy Psycho.
Don't you dare
Wait,
go
now
back
it's 4:12 right now?
Go,
Yeah, it's 4. Yeah, it's 4:12.
You don't want to scare the wildlife. You want to be one with the wildlife.
Why don't you just sit on the ground with them?
I have honestly no problem with doing that.
Plus, she's gonna sit in the chicken poop.
See, this is being one with the wildlife.
Watch out.
Now I don't have to worry about the world. I can just worry about the chicken
Poop.
world like that. See? Fully.
Where are you facing the camera? His head?
Hi. Okay, let's see if I can't get any of these Chackins out.
Chackins.
It's the ghost. What? Chicken is smart. Oh God! No, give me it. It's mine. Wait, somebody get me wings.
You're
Yes,
right
I
there.
will.
It's by the water. There's a big one.
Give me a couple leaves. How, what's the time on the video right now?
5:44. 5:45.
5:44.
5:46. 47. 48. 49.
Okay.
Wait, what time is it?
Blah 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 blah. That's what time it is, Mr.
4:14. Okay, so we're gonna have to keep track of it because I only have 15-minute videos.
And now it's exactly 6. I'll tell you when it expires.
We have to end it at like 14 minutes and 30 seconds. Because if it goes 15, we can record longer than that, but it just won't go on. It just can't go on my YouTube channel if it's 15 minutes and longer.
Oh. All right, catch the ostriches.
Wait, guys, shush. You have to become one with the wildlife. See, now it's scared. Now, somebody go give me leaves from over there, please. Apple.
I just did.
Will you please?
What's my name? Mrs. Apple? Wait, no.
No.
That's just scary.
That is just wrong.
My name's to be Mrs. Jones.
Really?
Miss Jones. Caleb, it did it again. It didn't even touch the button.